DS diving service here. It is March 25th, 2021. We're at Slip S1 Marsh Landing. I'm going to show you the new zincs that I have laid out that I'm getting ready to put on, and then I'm going to show you the worn out zincs on your outdrive and your trim tabs. So let's take a look. Of course, I'm going to show them once they're installed too, but I'm going to show you all the zincs that go on your drive, and then I'm going to point at the spots where they go. Zach is busy cleaning it, so I can get them installed. So the first two go. Now we'll listen to the difficult one. Drive cleaned up the rest of the way. Thank you.